What up, it's your boy K back with another video, baby, and we back at the junkyard with it. Yes, indeed. Today, I just drove 45 minutes to come to this junkyard. This is the same car that we got the dashboard out of, so I already looked at the windshield and most definitely it was good to go. So I took that 45-minute drive, came back out here to get this windshield, and I hope nobody bothered the car, messed with the car, because it's been a few days since the last time I came here, but hopefully the windshield is still good, because if it is, we most definitely taking that boy with us. I brought all my tools and everything that we need to go ahead and take this windshield out. So let's get to it. No, got a freaking crack in it, bro. Bro, I'm so mad it got a freaking crack in it, bro. All right, you guys, so we actually found it, man. And look, we actually do get the core support right here, so this is very good. The top piece is kind of damaged, but it's not too bad. You can really just pull it up, and so that's probably what we're gonna do. And it looks like the looks like the windshield is actually pretty good in here too. Hold on, they got the black seat belt. I probably should have been came to this one, bro. Yeah, the windshield looks actually pretty good. Now we just got to take this stuff off real quick. It's like 13 millimeter and a 10. So this is 13, 10, another 13 down here. Pretty much same thing on this side. All right, you guys, so we found it. You see the windshield is good. So first thing we're gonna do is just take off these fenders here, and then the hood, and of course the windshield wipers, so that way we could just have easy access to cutting around the actual edge of the glass to get it out. So it looks pretty good. It looks like there's nothing wrong with it. So this is the inside view. This car had 202,000 miles on it, but yeah, so the glass looks good. So we go do that, run with the glass real quick. Now we can start actually taking the glass out. So basically I'm using my multi-purpose tool to go ahead and cut the adhesive from holding on the glass. So basically, I'm trying to cut right in between the adhesive and the body of the car. I'm trying to stay far away from the glass as possible, so that way I don't risk like cracking it. So after I did the front, I just came in the inside. I got my bottle of water and I'm just spraying it everywhere. Just make sure you keep the glass lubricated, so that way you can go ahead and just cut right through the adhesive. And that's what I'm doing with this multi-purpose tool. So sometimes you just gotta maneuver and make sure you get the right angle, but more importantly, make sure you stay far away from the glass but closer to the body, and you'll be good to go. So once you do that, of course, you got to do the left side, the right side, top and bottom, and it should come out. All right, you guys, and just like that, the window cracked right here in the corner. As you can see, I got literally everything up. I got the top, I got the bottom, I got that side, and I literally got this side all the way down to here, and then it cracked. So windshield is no good. We drove an hour and a half out here to get this windshield, and quite frankly, I am kind of irritated that we did that, but that we came out here and the glass was good, and I pretty much had a 90% off, but then the corner just cracked right there and it just spread it. So it's no good. So long story short, we're gonna have to buy a glass. I think it's like 150 bucks, maybe like 190 if they put it in, 150 if I put it in. So with that being said, it's cool, man. I mean, it's life, bro. Sometimes that's just how it happens. So at the end of the day, we gain experience. So now it's time to head to the shop. We did get the core support, so that's the major thing. We just gonna have to suck it up and pay a little bit extra for the glass. So yeah, let's hop back on the road, take this hour and a half back to the shop, man, and get back to work. All right, you guys, so we finally got the core support. It's a long time coming, bro. We looked at like 3 yards, but we finally got it. Guys, so we actually got the core support, man. I'm super happy, bro. Like, y'all don't understand, we went to 3 junkyards today. All of them but the third one had the dang core support, bro. Every car was torn apart, it was done for, bro. I even got to the point to where, bro, I gotta get my junk rebraided, bro. I've been grinding so hard. I even got to the point to where I almost gave in and just bought a core support for $250. So the range was $250 to $650, bro. And it depends on which one in my area had it. It was gonna be between that type of price. And I almost gave in and just paid for that junk, bro, because the core support that we have on the car was just, man, it's just better to replace it. It just gives me so many issues, because really I just don't have the correct tool to pull on it, right? I tried everything else, it's just not working out. It's not allowing everything to line up correctly. So I just drove an hour and like 35 minutes, bro, to this last junkyard for today, bro. I'm sweating bullets. I came out here on a whim, bro. They had this car for months now, like months. I'm surprised the core support was still on this car, and it was on there and I got it, bro. I'm so happy, bro. I'm so thankful. All praise, bro. And it's like, this is just, use this video as a testimony, y'all. Don't give up, bro. If y'all feel like it's hard, it's impossible or whatever, don't give up, bro. Just keep going. Try every option, exhaust every option before you give up. And even if every option it don't work out, try it again, bro. It's some way, bro. It's some way, bro. So, and then on top of that, the windshield in there is good too. And it's like the grind don't stop, bro. Tomorrow I can be chilling, grabbing me some food, taking a day off. But bro, the grind don't stop, bro. We gotta do what we gotta do so we can get this car done. We had this car for a while now, so it's just time to let it go, bro. We gotta do our finishing touches. These are the parts that we need to get our finishing touches, to do our finishing touches to the car, and then we done. We can get that boy gone, we can make our profit, and we can move on to the next project. And that's what I like to do. So long story short, man, don't never give up, no matter how hard it get. how hot you is outside, how irritated you get about stuff, just keep fighting, bro. That's just the name of the game, and that applies to everything in life. It just ain't car related. It ain't searching for parts and all that stuff. It's everything in life, bro. I'm dead serious. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and cut you to tomorrow. And well, with that being said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Tomorrow we should be back at it with putting our last, you know what I'm saying, finishing touches on the Jeep Grand Cherokee, and we go at it from there. Peace.